If you look at the IT industry, I think it's achieved the success it has had till date because of a lofty aspiration it set for itself. If you go back in time, when the IT industry was a $100 million industry in 1998, NASSCOM set the vision of saying by 2010 we would be a $100 billion industry. So at that time, many people thought it was an asking which was too steep. But when you really look at the results, the industry did reach the $100 billion mark by 2010, which is why when we started this year, we really shared this aspiration of saying the industry should be a $300 billion industry by 2020. Now, this growth is not going to come from what we have been doing in the past, because markets are changing. So one thing NASSCOM is very cognizant of is that this growth will come from emerging areas like software products. It will come from internet and mobile businesses. It will come from a lot more engineering, R&D and design which will get done in India, as well as significant expansion of the domestic market itself. So your question on software products is very valid, because if you look at the change which is happening from a technology landscape, new disruptive technologies like social computing, mobility, analytics and cloud are becoming very, very mainstream now. Today, organizations are experimenting with it, but clearly over the next few years, people will start using it as a mainstream opportunity. And anytime when a disruption happens, it becomes an opportunity for a new entrant to make a significant play in that, which is primarily what we are aspiring to do in the software product space also. I think in India, we'd really like to build product companies which are focusing on social, mobility, analytics and cloud, because it is an experimentation all over the world. And we have enough of talented people who can think through of how enterprises can leverage these trends and really build successful companies, which will then lead us to the 10 billion mark of revenues, which we'll achieve with software products. Again, I think it's important to create enterprises which think of ideas and then they experiment, which also means that building the entrepreneurial ecosystem is important, which was primarily the driver behind NASSCOM launching the 10,000 tech startup program about 7-8 months back, and that's been very, very successful. We've had tremendous level of positive energy and new entrepreneurs coming into the ecosystem, which itself points out to a great future.